All right, let's make this crystal fake ice, fake soda snow globe tumbler. This is how it turned out. I'm just showing you the final result here. So stick around, follow. If you can't watch it right now, come back to it later. Make sure you're following me to learn more of a snow globe and more. Okay, so let's do it. All right, get your distilled water. I'm putting it in the cup, and I'm going to use a combination of brown glycerin based food coloring, and I'm also going to use a dark red. I just got this kit off the Zon. It's nothing special, it's just glycerin based, and I'm just adding it straight into my distilled water, and then I will mix it up until it's all mixed in the water, and then we got our mix. All right, make sure you mix it really well, and then make sure you have a tumbler, because at this point I'm like, where is my snow globe tumbler? So I went to go grab one, and then, so yeah, I'm doing this one. I'm using a 20-ounce acrylic snow globe tumbler. That's already pre-drilled. It has a plug. It's ready to go. At this point, I'm grabbing my crystals, the water crystals, and I'm showing you, this is the 60 milliliter syringe that I'm going to use. You can get these on the Zon. It comes in like a 4-pack. Right now, I'm just going to use the syringe, and I'm going to pull the crystals into the syringe and then push it into the snow globe tumbler a little bit at a time. And then I'm going to go back and forth using my water mix, using the same syringe. That way I'm controlling the amount of fake ice and liquid I'm putting in. So you can do either way, whatever your little heart desires. So once you're done adding the rest of the coloring, leave a tiny little bit. I like using a little bit of room just in case it expands with this crystal. And it gives it like an effect to where it's kind of empty, so it looks cool. So I added some Dawn. I was a little heavy-handed, but let's plug it. And after we plug it, we're going to give it a good shake. And then you're going to see it's going to give it a fizz with the Dawn soap. And then you're going to see the fake ice. I'm excited. There it is. It's really cute. Really, really cute. And fairly easy to do this cup. So you only need a few things and very affordable. So thanks for watching. I'm going to also, if you want to stick around, I'll show you how to add fake ice on top of your lid. All right, let's add some ice to this lid. I always clean it with alcohol the lid, and then I put a very thin layer of UV resin before I start layering the fake ice. You're going to put one layer, put the UV resin on the bottom, put it on top, cure it. If you want to add additional layers after that first initial layer is cured, then you can add another layer and do the same process. So here she is. We're letting the lid cure, and I'm just showing how the Dawn gives it the fizz effect. This one right here, I added a lot of the crystals, and I even left space, and it still expanded. So keep that in mind when you're making these. I would leave space, not putting too many crystals, and then you can always go back and add more, you know. A little bit goes a long way with these crystals because they do expand. That's what they're made for. There we go. All right, after your ice has cured under the light, you can just add it back onto your snow globe, and you're done. Add a straw topper, add your straw, throw on a wrap. That's it. Easy peasy. I know it was a very long video. Thank you for sticking around. If you did watch the whole thing, drop a comment, and thank you for doing so. I really appreciate it. If you want to see other tumbler tutorials, let me know. Drop in a comment. What do you want to see next? I also do DTF t-shirts. We have UV DTF wraps. I mean, we do a lot here. So if you aren't following us, please follow us. And yeah, I'll see you on the next live or the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.